Well, California is struggling to bridge a $26 billion budget gap. And a new ad campaign says the smart answer is a little dope. A pro-marijuana group launching a new bid to legalize pot in the state. Supporters say taxing the drug could generate up to $1 billion in revenue each year. The ad spokeswoman is a stroke victim who uses medical marijuana.
Sacramento says huge cuts to schools, health care, and police are inevitable due to California's budget crisis. Even our state parks could be closed. But the governor and legislature are ignoring millions of Californians who want to pay taxes. We're marijuana consumers. Instead of being treated like criminals for using a substance safer than alcohol, we want to pay our fair share. Taxes from California's marijuana industry could pay the salaries of 20,000 teachers. Isn't it time?
Well, the Marijuana Policy Project says the ad is meant to encourage debate, not promote drug use. The California governor had said earlier that he was open to at least a discussion.